To draft or create a new ACH batch payment, click the plus icon in the ACH Batches section. Click the New ACH Batch button. Enter the batch name. Use the drop-downs to select a company and an offsetting account. Enter an entry description. Select an entry class and click the Add Recipients button. You can create recipients by adding detail records or by adding a participant. Detail records can be created and added to the batch manually. Click the Add Detail Records button. Enter their full name and select a transaction type. Enter the routing and account numbers. Select an account type. Enter payment-related information. Click Format options to expand additional details if required. Click the Save as Participant button to save the new detail record as a participant. Click the Save and Add Another button to save the current participant and add another. Click the Save button to continue. You can choose a participant from a list of pre-created participants to add to the batch. Click the Add Participants button. Select the participants you would like to add and click the Add Selected Participants button. Review the recipients, add any amount you would like to establish, then click the Schedule Batch button. Select whether you are sending a one-time or recurring batch. Select an effective date using the calendar. For recurring batches, select an occurrence and end date. If a payment falls on a holiday or weekend, check the box to make the payment on the next business day. Click the Review Batch button. Review the details of the batch, then click the Submit button. Click the Create New Batch button to create another batch. Click the Save Batch as Template button to save a batch as a template. Click the Close button when you are finished.